So here is Rose just doing some gravel and gravelling in between the sleepers and getting a few plants in. Is that Naughty Macedonica I can see there? Looks like it as well. Just popping a few of those in and they're going to look really good, and the nice dry loving plant in between the sleepers. Chris is there putting a bit of detail on the back. Doing a great job. Fantastic. And about to put a nice allium in, and he's just taking out the pot there, and he's going to clean that one up, clean the base up and pop that in by that erigeron, that lovely pink erigeron. Nice display here with the eryngium and Stipa tenuissima and this lovely little ornament at the back. Darren's getting ready to do a bit of turfing. He's got his landscape rake out, so he's there just getting that all nice and ready. Is there a best side? Amelia is dressing the window, so that looks like an old curtain that's been, the window's been smashed and the curtain's still coming through. We've got the Winkfield station on the top there, so that's looking good. Carleen is there. Carleen's about to do something major here, a bit of major vandalism to make it look like there's some boarded up windows. Looks like Arnold Schwarzenegger. There she is, look, just about ready to attack that. Don't look away now. Don't try this at home. So some really nice planting here on this with the Cornus and Digitalis there to the left. There's another lovely coloured cornflower centuria on the front with some Tyrella and Achillea. Looks really good. And there's a nice shadow effect here created through the Betula Jacquemontii. Some really nice planting here with the Salvia, some Euchre, some Stipa tenuissima, and you've got some Verbenas tucked in there. Then you've got the formal yew balls sort of tucked in there actually. It looks, yeah, I think it's yew, yeah, it looks like yew. And then you've got nice crested dog's-tail lawn. So some beautiful fretwork here in this planting. Just look at these. Just made into these sort of lovely sort of L-shaped, cuboid shapes. Nice planting working with the lupins, and some works very well. Choice here, Sundance there, and Nandina's looking good, but it just steps up nicely and loops all the way around.